AI is progressing faster than ever and has affected many industries. The design industry in particular is going through significant changes, and it's essential to understand AI if you want to keep up. Recently, I came across a platform that I believe deserves much more attention and can truly compete with tools like Canva, and it's called Wingage, a design platform with over 50 AI-powered tools that can help you to generate a wide range of designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple AI-generated flyer using just a single line prompt under 30 seconds. No design skills needed, plus the user interface is super friendly and easy to use. So let's start. Now here I am inside wingage.com and I want to review their AI tools. So as you see, there are so many AI tools in here that can help you to generate a design less than 60 seconds. So for example, we have infographic generator, we have even the Instagram post generator, business plan generator. And as you see, there are a lot of things in here that can help you to design anything that you like less than 60 seconds. But for the sake of this video, to show you the overall interface, I'm just gonna design a flyer. So here I am inside of the free AI flyer generator, and I want to generate a flyer, for example, for 5th of June, to see how easy it is to work with Wingage flyer generator. So I'm just gonna start with a simple prompt because we said we want to create a flyer without any design or prompt skill knowledge. So I'm just gonna write create a flyer for a webinar happening on, for example, June 5th. So let's just fix the spelling that we have in here and let's just hit on generate. So immediately, as you see, less than 30 seconds, we have a flyer designed by the AI and it looks quite amazing. And if by any chance you didn't like the current design, you can just hit on retry and the AI is gonna redesign another flyer. So let's just see the second design. So as you see, the second one is also interesting, but one thing that I like about the Wingage AI designs is that they're gonna let you customize your design for free. So unlike other AI tools that will give you an image which you cannot really do any modification on it, Wingage will give you a lot of cool tools that can help you to rearrange your current design. So for example, if I want to change the font, all I need to do is that I need to select the font. I can change the font type in here, or I can change its color also in here to match it to something that I want. Or if you want to change the shape, you can simply just select the shape and you can change it in here. And as you see, there are a lot of tools and it looks like a Canva. As I have said earlier, this tool can compete with Canva because of its massive tools, which is easy to use for any users, even though if you don't have any design knowledge. So if we review it, you can see that the templates in here is just gonna offer you wide variety of templates, just like Canva. You can just select them and modify it. We have the element section in here, text that you can choose, shape and line, icons, and everything else that you see in here is pretty much easy and manageable to use. And this is why I like the Wingage a lot. By the way, which tools do you think is best when it comes to designing with AI? Comment your thoughts in the comment section. And here we are at the end of this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave out a like and subscribe to the channel, as it would help me out a lot. Thank you so much. Goodbye.